welcome back to How to Henry. Now you're going to learn how to tie your shoe. Let's do it now. First, there's a very simple thing you should know. If you don't, you should know if you are like, yes, if you kind of learn how to tie your shoe, you should know this. It's very simple. If you never tie your shoe before, you will never knew this. So there you go. Now you make a bunny ear. Put that there. Loop it around. Press here. Then pull. Very simple. That's a knot. See this end? Pull. You can pull each one, but it might get tangled sometimes. That's okay. Ask your mom and dad for help. Gets tangled. So let's practice again. But this time, let's make an X and pull. This is a pot of gold. It's like the pot of gold. Bring this lace into the pot of gold. A very more easy way to do it this way. Pot of gold is like here. And pull. How did that go? Now we are gonna do it again. Okay, make an X. Are we following? Okay, sometimes it can take a little time, about a second maybe. Yeah, maybe it can take a little bit of time. Make a bunny ear. Loop that around. Make a square. Put it in a circle, and then take the bunny ear and pull. Very simple. Now let's do it again. First make an X. And then take that lace and pull. Maybe it takes a little. Try again if you don't get it right. Okay, I'm trying to try it again. Make an X, put that lace through, and pull. Now make a bunny ear. Then loop around for a square. Then you might see a little there's a little circle. Push it through, grab it, and pull, and grab the bunny ear and pull those two things. Pull. There. Perfect knot. Super simple. Bye. Thanks for watching.